Are you aware that you should be much concerned in case the power line that is supplying your house with electricity is faulty, especially at the PME, the protective multiple earthing that is located at the immediate pole that is serving your house or property with electricity? And this is the reason. The PME, or the protective multiple earthing, is your next line of defense in the event that your earth rod is not working properly. If you're finding value in this video, kindly smash that like button. And number two, at the transformer, there is an earthing system. This earthing system will pick the excessive charges from your earth rod or the PME and take the charges back to the transformer, where the transformer converts these charges to useful electricity that is redirected back to the circuit. So in the event that this system is broken or is not working, there will not be a complete circuit for the excessive charges from your house or your property, and therefore you will not be protected against electric shock. Therefore, in this regard, ensure that you check on the power lines for these faults. In case there is that fault, be sure to contact your power provider so that they fix the problem and guarantee you safety. See you in the next one, where I will be giving you more tips. In the meantime, kindly subscribe to my channel for more.